still say it anyway.
Na Monday.
Okay.
Na Monday. Ho. I no get ginger.
Why? Wetin na the color of this coat where you wear?
No be the color.
I don't tell you, me no they wear downsize color. You know they want year.
No
me
be
wear,
this
me
color.
Wear, bright they in between my own. Now I feel good, I feel happy because I experienced it.
Na NYSC. Na make me no happy.
No worry. Faith is what?
The substance of things hoped for and the
Evidence of
things not seen.
No worry yourself.
Okay.
It makes sense.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. No worry yourself.
Faith. Faith. Hey! Now welcome actually. Woo! Me, I just this morning, I New Year's Day, my very, very happy of happies. Simply because of some other issues will happen during the weekend. I get like 2 G's will not too sweet my mind. One is personal, the other one is environmental. But any which way, before the end of the show, we'll let you know how far for one of the environmental gist. Okay, but aside from that one, how on a day? How on a weekend? Hope everybody did very, very okay. I did okay. We did alive, we did healthy. All of us did alive, we did healthy. My one day here, Ogbolo day here. Together we are here again. And another week don't come again. Another week of fruitfulness, of elevation, of open door, of many, many good things that today happen. And yeah. So my how you throw yours now?
Paper.
You want
As
the
your
children?
mood, they dull me.
Keep quiet, you. Unprofessional you.
Now your mood, now they dull me. Now you can't.
Come out there. He mood they done waiting. The first one when you throw is what?
It's paper.
Black
All right, good morning to everybody. I'm gonna don't greet you on our behalf, and it just gets one thing when I want to talk. And this one, I won't make una hold and seriously. Forget the person with the talk. You understand? Because if you think of my character, you people may not really take it seriously.
Yes, that's very true.
No, don't do
I
that.
second that one we just talked just now.
Even you, not only me, even you.
No.
You don't spoil the seriousness.
No, they take me serious.
You don't spoil the seriousness now. You understand? So I beg, take this thing when I want to talk seriously. I go tell you something. Irrespective of where you work, your working environment, your residential environment, your ecosystem as a general. You understand? The vicinity of where you are a living human beings. Irrespective of where it be, it no matter where it be, everybody they battle with something. The least way you feel do not to be nice to people. Because you really don't know what in everybody they battle with.
Yes.
Even you where they watch us today, you get one thing where we say, you know, if you open mouth, tell anybody. Now only you and God. You understand? Like Ogbolo now in personal problem. I know because I see vision. He get problem. Everybody gets what they face. So I beg, be nice to people. Now the least way you feel do for anybody. If you know if you help them, be nice to them. Your niceness feel safe person life. You don't know. That is just from me to you, from my heart to your heart, called a conjoin of hearts. Yeah.
We don't finish, Abi. Okay. We dey go break. Well, come back on this break now. Just enter yan the yan.
Ogbolo, why your neck on long like this?
Okay.
This sukuble no be amo. Just.
We dey come back.
We dey
come back.
There. I tell you this thing. You see the way the guy they look that why are they all shouting?
Enjoy doing like
I'm just doing what I like. Why are you people shouting? Now say they be where you get talent.
No, actually, see, that's the reason why he did very, very good. Say you must marry. If I thought you're not too sharp, marry person wey sharp. So that you know if you born sharp pikin.
Yeah.
You understand? It's very, very important.
I
Me, I
dey
don't feel come born pikin wey dull. This kind of pikin now going to give you joy and
It
spirit.
don't be like when they say marry fine boy, marry fine boy, marry fine boy. When you see the results, you go no. You understand? Marry fine boy, marry fine boy. You know
I get friends now where they correct their future with wife.
with wife.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like over the weekend, Akporo marry.
The
Akporo,
babe
if you
stock.
see Akporo wife.
You understand? Stock girl.
Oh, blah.
Very
blah,
stock. You understand? Face everything. Quite on point female.
One person say, let's say they get to do Akporo favor to correct the future. You understand? But any which way, the guy are married.
But
the guy
no,
now. So,
you know, say any girl will marry you now na like advantage.
so
You just top up your, because you don't say yourself.
I try.
You try. You
I
go just
try
top
already,
them up.
So I just top them up just to make the future generation better than
Don't
what
say you
it
want
be
correct
now.
and you just want you want make them
That's
better.
to add, join the
Understand?
voting.
That's
how we roll, you
Don't be saying
understand?
anything.
No,
so
no,
for
no,
those of you that have not really have the privilege of trying, correct your future now.
Correct
now
am.
is the time for the
Correct am.
coronation of your future.
Yes. If you black, no go meet another. Now just born shadow. It's
yes.
not too good like that. If you go short, another person short. Now yam now one. You understand? It's not too good for us.
Just try.
So we'll go for Yan Zayan.
Give it to us
Give it to us now.
right now. All right, so the first gist when I get for you on top Yan the Yan, no be something where really makes sense like that. I'm not really sure if the gist is quite a very interesting
It's
gist.
not your forte
No, it's
gist.
not my forte.
It's not your forte
This kind of
gist.
sad gist is not really something that I like to talk about much, but I'm going to give you the gist anyway. So for inside the America place, inside Bronx, this 16-year-old girl, she be aspiring dancer. She even danced for this popular group where they call them Alvin Ailey American Dance Theater. She was dancing for them at some point in her life. Now, this particular girl, she go visit one 42-year-old guy away in girlfriend day with him. The girlfriend are 18 years old.
Girlfriend.
Yes. The sister of the 18 years old, na him be her own friend.
Okay.
Now, this 42-year-old guy, he gets 18-year-old girlfriend. The sister of that 18-year-old girlfriend, na him be this 16-year-old girlfriend. So as they come visit the guy now, because the guy they stay for their own, so that they get high-rise building, they can't get apartment. So the guy they stay for their compound.
Okay, compound.
So she just say, okay, make she stroll go greet the bay. As she can't enter there, and the guy can't come out in rifle. They show them, say, see my gun. You know, say gun don't leg now. See my gun, see my this, see my that. Not being somebody called the guy just say, man, they come. Now she they examine the inside of the gun. The thing just went off. The girl, the 16-year-old girl, they examine the inside of the gun and the thing. She just shoot herself for mouth. They say she died for the scene. Now that 42-year-old guy, we really get it. Now the fine girl with this. The 42-year-old guy, we really get the gun. The guy don't go a wall. They don't define them since that time. The guy not going to come back again. Now the 18-year-old talk say she come out, he can't show us the thing. No, he can't go. No, the shooting can't happen.
But not being kiddie, babe. Now.
Now in gun, he could have unloaded it.
Unloaded it or lock him.
Or lock him or something.
Anyway, Sarge
and she was a minor.
Plenty thing dey inside. But any which way, it just go to show say everybody the way they watch like this, maybe say they take caution and precaution. You understand? Because even for house, more even leave gun. Parents and adults them. I bet more keep things like knife. I know person wants more pikin wey carry knife come out from inside kitchen. I say it to say the mama no say this pikin. No, because the knife dey within the reach of the pikin. So all these things keep them away from the reach of smally them. I bet because anything fit happen.
Yes.
Anything fit happen. But it no go be a purgeon. I mean. Okay, for my own gist for inside China place over there. People get good mind though. The good ones are still alive.
Yes.
When I know everything say good people no dey this earth again. Good people still plenty.
I concur.
Yes, now the one where you decide to see, now you go to see. If you see bad people, now bad people you go to see. If you decide to say you see good people, now good people you go to see. For inside China, this particular corpuscles, what's their name again? The Ghana Civil Affairs Bureau, former staff. Now, basically, make I not even start like that. These people,
God, you just spoke of India, basically.
Basically,
yeah.
You know, they just decide, say, okay, any pikin way they just see we no get house, all those orphans, you know, that we don't adopt the pikin.
Oh, wow.
You understand? So as for the follow now, I talk now for the past 26 years, this particular corpuscles, they don't adopt over 40 orphan children. Enter their own house, join their 3 children when they get. Now be 43. When I say more than 43 because they say over. You understand? And this particular issue now, just when they can realize, say somehow they just like to take in children we no get house to stay. You know, from there, from 1, 2, 3, 4, you enter 40. And right now, even their neighbors can't tire for the whole matter. Even their own children when they find it difficult to adjust for the whole people. But they just the man can't wake up one day can't talk. Say the reason why they even adopt children is simply because he himself they adopt and when he be small picking. So that particular thing don't they in mind one kind. So they also give out hand to. But now even the government have come through can say okay they will help them to take care of these children because the bureau civil affairs bureau people then they always send them abandoned children. For adoption, they just wake up one day say, see 3 children, don't get place to stay. Oh yeah, maybe we think of this man. Oh yeah, come carry them, go give this particular corpuscles. All right, but the government don't pay them like $24 per month, maybe 150 gon per month. And the couple said don't receive larger donations from kind-hearted individuals. Different people said they even give them money, say, "Una they well done, no, una they try, una they take." So well, now very very good thing. Now very good thing. Since one person must play that role for life.
Yes.
Always a bit take. New man can't gas to even come out her hand for her job where she work before, just to face the whole thing squarely. They take care of over 40 children. Not be joke.
Well, the truth be say, no matter how you want to see them, different people get different things where they give them joy.
Yeah.
If it be say helping orphans, now waiting they give them joy. An agreement between the man and the woman is not causing any problem with them. They're going to need to make their children understand. Because the truth be say, they no go stop them.
Now when they give them
now
joy.
waiting they give them joy. Now waiting they don't decide to do with their life, which is okay.
Yes.
So yeah.
Anyway,
amazing
all right.
Stuff.
Great story. So they come back now. After this particular break, we are coming back to continue on top of Yarn the Yarn. Don't go anywhere. And still party show with your boy, your brother, and of course,
but you did all right.
Mayowa. All right, so don't go anywhere.
But you did all right.
I did okay.
I'm telling you this thing, Golo. You're all right.
They try.
Now you should give them pose.
But she's a source of chicks be. Anything in a correct they correct from.
Look, I don't like what you're doing. Who do you think you are? You can't be talking to me like that.
Madam pose.
No, they talk to me like that. I don't really like him. Selfie.
Then they can't continue the quarrel. Selfie. In your life.
Oh my God. All right, back to the part 2 of Yarn the Yarn. I'm just going to give you the gist real quick. Now, for inside China,
please.
I'm going to read out the story for you.
Japan.
Wait now. Japan, sorry, China, Japan, all of them have a small eye. But this one we're talking about Japan actually. The name of this place for inside Japan is called the
Kyushu.
Kyushu. For inside Japan, and one of the largest, one of the 3rd largest island for inside Japan. Now, this place is a tourist attraction for plenty people, and they do homes to plenty people that work one can do. You know, Japanese people, they are very known for their spa treatments.
True.
All these, their body something, all these body treatment, spa something, hot stone something, something volcanic water, warm body something.
Oh.
So they're very known because of this, their tourist attraction, because of this, their spa treatments and everything. And because of the volcanic water, you know, the heat, the way they don't conserve everything, you know, be like say they even get one place for inside China, maybe say, for inside Japan, maybe say, no matter how much cold, that water, they always they warm. Anyway, they've made their ecosystem friendly to people where they enter inside that particular place. But the new one where they do now this one where they call sand bathing. Sand bathing, that's what it be so. Then go cover you with you go there inside one place. They'll come pour a heap of sand, they cover you for about 30 minutes. Now, study don't come out talk, say this particular sand something. This particular sand bathing where then they do. The experience, they say not be say they only relax you. Say it good for treating infertility, diabetes, anemia, asthma, and they even help weight loss. Now, they say this one a big box where they say they go put natural hot spring water inside, come mix them together with the sand. So when the thing don't soak well, then go drain the water come out. Now that sand and they go pour on top your body. Now you go come day inside till the thing dry finish. So the heat of the sand, you go down. Yes, you go be like we go do the bake. Thank you. They go bake you inside the sand. So the heat. Now, so one of these particular journalists that we don't do, I'm come talk say, look, the feeling, the soothing feeling. Say no be say they comfortable. No be say they sweet or something. But the moment you come out of it, say the kind relief where you go feel, the kind your body is just gonna be all right. You understand? You go feel like say Roy don't come off inside your body because they go even give you something like one towel. This particular towel that they call them yukata. Because you go use and cover body to guard against the sand where go stain your body, and then after you come out, they can't send you to a particular spa again where you go bath, you know, do all those things then. So they say then they do them. I'm not really sure what's the connection of a hot heated sand plus infertility. I'm not really sure.
No, that one they shock me. If you say it's go massage body, one can feel understand. You understand? I feel understand. But when you go say if they do diabetes inside body. Plus some other things there.
Anemia, infertility.
And infertility.
Now that one they off me.
Now that they choke. You understand? When it's then they bring the belly. They open the belly.
Or they give man more. Because the thing is say, me I can't think and say, you know, say if you talk say something they cure headache. If you talk say this thing is going to cure your headache and cure your back pain. I feel understand because it gets some part of your head where go ache. Where we say if you massage some part of your back, you go feel better. You get some kind of headache where we say if you massage some part of your toe, you go feel better. So I feel connect them, but I can't really connect anemia and
asthma.
Come put infertility inside.
Infertility.
You understand? And then come join diabetes.
You know. Our producer talk for my ear say if they enter through the pulse, quiet you there, waiting everything you sabi.
Whether na sand, now you want enter your pulse.
And na sand want enter your pulse.
When you still go back the sand, come out.
One day they all wake up one day they all tell us say man cement. They use cement now they elongate your life. These people they can do anything. Just say man once you drink 3 spoons of cement, your life you reach 150 years. Japanese. I beg, please.
Now that sand, and they deceive people. That their sand.
They go
the pulse and they bury you alive.
This thing then are largely brain work.
Brain work, mentality.
You know, the guy that tell you say, man, if you drink this water now go make all your mind rest.
Wait now.
That belief where they believe when you can't drink the water,
your mind go rest.
Your mind can't rest because you don't believe on for head first.
You know say you even get one foot rub where then give me. Now this particular ladies, not be even Japanese them be Philippines.
Okay.
Filipino for that particular spa when I go. No be you know it was a diaspora spa. Filipino. Before I go that spa, they don't tell me say before then do your leg. Say you go feel relaxed. They don't talk and say once they massage your foot now from your thigh down, from your waist down actually. So when they finish, they massage your leg. You go feel relaxed. The girl can't talk something. She say when I finish, when I shower, make I go look mirror. I go see say some part of my front hair don't grow small. Yeah. You go pave way. The way when she talk this thing to me, only me believe am.
Believe
my guy. When they massage my body, first of all, I feel like say the weight of the world don't come out for your body. You can't do me like I don't want to come they put leg for ground again because I feel like say if I touch ground, the thing will don't enter again. No be me can't go shower. I can't enter my hotel room. I look the mirror. I can't think and say this strand of hair no dey there before. Now the hair don't grow. I can't call my sister. My sister say yeah, Mogu. Brainwash me. So that's why it's a psychological thing.
Psychological thing.
They tell you come there, your infertility is off. You go believe it. When it happen like this, only you go back.
They call it fate.
Doctor go tell you say. So don't worry yourself.
But it's a fitting thing.
Let's go to Japan. Let's go to Ushushu.
Okay, Ushushu. Which I want to go do actually. And then I'll not go play for Babish. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll pause for here. We'll get one other final gist, but not with me. So I'm not going to come and talk the last gist. But we get the life right about now, just to make everybody mind sweet them. So
something to talk to read the inner part of your body.
Just make you smile and do okay just now. Let's see it. Love the laugh. think when we small, they call that thing GB. Gada brushing.
Gada brushing.
All of them go gada beat the uncle, beat time. Now one witchcraft child. Now they always lead that squad. Where we go? What slapper? We be. Then I was going to follow for back. Oh, stop! Attack! Pa, pa, pa! Uncle no go fit survive the thing.
Not there. Not there. All right, okay. Paddy, before we carry Wokaya come out from inside this particular level for other people to give you totori things will make sense on top of Wazobia 1. If you watch us for Inside Lagos, for UHF 57, and if you watch us for Diaspora's Place, Wazobia TV. Watch us for YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia TV, Paddy. All right, we want to pay tribute to one of our own, where we say...
Environmentally.
Over the weekend.
Yes.
The environmental thing with the Warriors. Over the weekend, the guy just...
He leave us.
Yes, he leave us to go join, go to a better place where Baba God they prefer for him. Alan, personally, na person when I like, he na very jovial person, na very, very lovely person, very pleasant is the word. Very pleasant person. And the guy, they give me microphone. He go give me microphone, put my microphone, arrange my clothes, you understand? Amazing soul.
If they give, because for those of now we don't know, say they wear microphone, they wear talk back for ear and all those things. Some people they arrange and give us, you understand? So this particular guy, now one of those guys where they always help us, they make sure say we sound very well for all of our ear, you know, and then we not feel hear us properly. Now one of the people if you don't arrange and give, you go arrange your clothes, go package your shirt for you, go dust your body, go dust you. Say, are you okay? You okay? Alan.
It's from the Philippines.
Yes.
It's from the Philippines. No be Nigerian guy, na Filipino. And rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. May Baba God give your family the strength to take the loss. And where we day here, God give us the strength to also take the loss. Because again, I go talk. A lot of people can testify. You know, if you hear Alan voice, you know, if they shout, you know, they vex. Very pleasant person. And again, it takes me back to the first thing when I talk.
Exactly.
Say, you don't know what people they face. You don't know what people they deal with. So the least way you feel do. Now today nice to people. Because you don't know what anybody they go through.
And to add to that one, like that message where I sent this morning, I had to think of the whole thing on top BBM. You say, I just try your best, you know, to make somebody feel special. You understand? Every day, just try to make somebody feel special. You don't know what in your being nice to person go help the person do. You get me now? I sent a message this morning. One person contacted me saying you just might be saving a life.
Oh yeah.
You understand? You don't
Even
know.
if not small compliments.
You don't know if not compliment, if not smile, if not getting to know something better about somebody else. Just go the extra mile to know better about somebody and be, you know, just make somebody feel special. You know, like my word talk, make someone feel extra nice too. You know, you just might be saving one life.
Yeah, so we get tribute to Alan or not? We want to play something for our Alan or no?
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Very much. All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow myself, my humble self, at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter and Instagram. Follow my guy, my G, at Ogbolo on Instagram and at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG and then follow them for Insider, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of the above. Then they there for you live and direct. We love you very much and we're gonna get better day. Have a good afternoon.
Peace. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.